Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2020 Harris Solstice 230. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around. So this unit has a powder-coated black fence. This is an absolute beautiful option for those who are looking to get a black tower on here with this nice midnight blue inlay. Just gives the boat a really, really dark and rich look. If you do a quick walk around there, you can see the color on that fence, and it just pops with that black rail. Also want you guys to check out our fenders we have equipped on this boat, and every other one of our Harrises will have the same feature. So this is called our Easy Clip fender system, making it super seamless for you to quickly put these fenders out when you're in time of need. So if you're ever coming up to the dock and you need quick fender on the outside, all you do is a simple click in and the fender is already set. Now to take this out is very simple. You just lift the weight off the fender, pull this, and clip pops right out. Very, very simple. It's something that is super convenient to have, because if you're ever in a really fast situation, you need to get them out there, like getting in from a storm, you have that ability on all four corners. All right, now coming to the back here, I want you to notice the extended swim platform we have on this vessel. Now, if you look at the tune in the platform here, this shows you how much room you're actually gaining with this extended platform. Just makes the back deck area here a whole lot more roomy, adds a really nice aesthetic look to it as well. As we come around, I want you to check out this 250 horsepower Mercury Verado. Now, this is one of the best motors in the industry. If you're looking for that really nice bite and grab out of the water and plenty of speed out of it, this motor can do absolutely everything you throw at it. And not only that, but it has a 3-blade stainless steel prop. This gives you a really nice bite out of the water and honestly gives you a totally indestructible prop that you'll never have to replace in the time of the boat. Now I want you to come ahead and come inside the boat so we can check out what amazing features it has. All right, guys, starting back here with this rear lounger. Now, this is one of the most popular options as far as a seating layout. This is absolutely great if you're looking for a real versatile option. Now, you can have this seat either facing this way, where you can fit people on both sides of the seat. Now, if you're wanting to turn this into a sun lounger, you can have it laid back here or into the third position that's even lower. This turns it into a completely flat platform, great for tanning, laying out in the sun. I mean, you name it. It is an amazing feature on this boat. Still have plenty of cup holders all around. And for anybody that doesn't want to get up from their nice relaxation time on the back, you have a JL Audio remote receiver here. This you can control all of the things that are going on with the music. You can adjust the volume, change the song, change the source. I mean, you name it, it can do it. All right, I want you guys to start coming a little closer to the inside of the boat. Now, I want you to notice the real open platform that we have on here. As you're walking through, you're not going to clip your feet on anything around. Everything is nice and finished and rounded corners. Really easy to walk around. Starting with the helm, now on the Solstice model, this is really, really unique. So we have a Simrad G07, which is an amazing unit. So you can use this as a GPS. You can also use it as a fish finder, and even use it to find your way back home on a body of water you're unfamiliar with. Now you still have your analog gauges, so you kind of still keep that retro look. And you also have a really nice accent panels all around here for all of your electronics. And then you also have a dish right here to wirelessly charge your phone. Now, this is great. Gives you a designated spot for that, and it also charges it. right here next to the throttle if you're ever needing to, get to that really quick. This unit also has a digital Mercury throttle on it, powering that 250 horsepower. Now, with this, you're able to put it into different modes like docking, and it just makes it a little easier for you to maneuver the boat, handle the power a little easier. Now I want you to check out our JL Audio head unit. This adds a really great experience as far as sound. I mean, music is one of the things that 90% of us like to bring on with us in life. And when you can hear it in the best possible form, you can't beat it. It creates the best possible experience for you. Now, just to give you a reference where all the speakers are, we have 2 rear facing in the back. If you were ever to anchor out on a sandbar or anything like that, you also have 3 more included here just around the captain area and where your passengers are going to be sitting. You can see they're both mounted on the floor and mounted up high. You have a included speaker for the driver himself. And then you have 2 more additional speakers up here in the bow with an included sub. So as you can see, wherever you are, even around this boat, you will get that premium sound experience. Now, moving to the bow, I want you guys to notice, first of all, this material. This is our textured vinyl. It is a really, really great feel. Stays a lot cooler than your traditional leather vinyls. And also adds a really great look to the boat. As we come to the bow, storage is very key when it comes to a pontoon boat. So you want to have the most possible room to store as much stuff as you can. All these compartments self-bailing, so no residual water is going to get in there, and if any does, there is drains at the end, at the backs of the compartment. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat that you're really interested in and want to find more information about, please contact us. Thank you guys for watching.